Do you ever find yourself in need of a little trolley that's, easy for you to move things around? Whether you're at the office, whether you're at home, and you find maybe you're in the garden and you find that you've got heavy bags of soil, or perhaps you just want to move boxes around. Maybe you're just someone who doesn't like to carry heavy things very much and you want to make sure that you've always got a little trolley on hand. Well, this is a folding platform trolley, and what makes it so very special is that it is lightweight but also very durable, and it packs down to 8.5 centimetres, which is a little bit hard for your mind to comprehend, right? But it works so well. You've got this heavy plastic base here, so it is going to be something that's really able to carry the weight. It can carry up to 120 kilos, by the way. And I don't know about you, but once we're hitting over 10 kilos, I'm quite happy for a trolley to start doing the work for me rather than me having to carry it. So the wheels are really awesome. I'll show you those in a moment. But let's talk about the fold down, because I think for so many people, the idea of having a trolley is lovely, but the idea of storing it is something altogether different. So for most of us, a fold-down trolley is going to be perfect. So the great thing is that you can adjust the height. So this will go up to about 92 centimetres, I think, but just simply by squeezing, and I'll turn it around for you to see, simply by squeezing these two little blue, sections here, like so, that gives you the adjustability with your handle. And I love that, because sometimes when we have these little holes here, it's really fiddly to adjust handle heights, but not with this one. So that's a good one to know. But I think for most of the time you'll want it fully up anyway. But then it also retracts further. So if you have a look on the front here, there's a little hole cut out there. And that's not going to affect you in terms of transporting things, because you've got a lovely big platform. But what happens with that hole is you reach in with your hand from the underside and squeeze, and everything folds down. And that is it. So then that is exactly how you are going to store that. It means that those wheels are tucked in like so, and you can slide that into a gap. Put it next to the fridge. Put it in the garage. Even if you've got a small carport or a small parking space, this is going to work perfectly for you. And I just wanted you to see these wheels, because they're lovely and strong as well. So you do have a lightweight aluminium working all the way through. You've got the strength there with those wheels. You've got a wonderful rubber finish on those as well. So in terms of functionality, I think this is amazing. If I show it to you back open again, that's it. It's as simple and easy as that. You can plonk on whatever it is that you want to carry. Boxes, remember, 120 kilos this will carry. And it's lightweight, but that foldability just makes this super special, don't you think? You want to see it one more time? I'm just going to show you how easy it is. Pop my hand in there, and that is your lightweight fold-away trolley.